Today we'll be making garlic salmon. The ingredients are, of course, salmon. This is around 5 pieces. 3 whole minced garlic. Unsalted butter. A little bit of dill. Extra virgin olive oil. Likum key oyster sauce. Ni parents na Worcestershire. But in reality, ang pronunciation yan is Worcestershire. Of course, pepper and salt. Bahala na kayo sa brand na gusto nyo. Basta yan ang brand ko. Okay? First, heat the pan and then put the oil. Make sure na lahat covered ng oil. So, this is extra virgin olive oil. Mabilis siyang anong tawag doon? Natutuyo. Buffer! Pag mainit na siya, put all your garlic. You hear that sound? Dapat may ganyan. Babantayan niya siya ha. Huwag nang iiwan kasi mabilis maluto ang garlic. Ayaw natin kumain ng sunog na garlic. So, kanina sabi ko mabilis mag-dry yung extra virgin olive oil. So, kailangan talaga bantay. So, pag kailangan, dadagdagan nyo. Yan. So, ayan. Mga after 2 to 3 minutes, ganyan na siya. Medyo mag-golden brown na yung color niya. Basta halo lang ng halo para hindi sunog. Ayan. Pag ganyan na yung color niya, isa-set natin siya aside. Pero, wag niyong itatapon yung oil. Kasi doon tayo mag-piprito ng salmon. So, ayan na yung pinagprituhan. Unti na lang yung oil. So, dadagdagan ko siya ulit. Okay, mag-alala. EVOO naman yan. So, mainit pa yung pan. Nalagay na natin yung salmon. That sound is very relaxing. Around 3 minutes per side. Then, put some pepper. And a bit of salt. Nabaliktad ko na siya. Ilalagay ko yung garlic all over. And the butter on top of the salmon. So, nung nilagay yung butter, you have to baste it continuously para ma-absorb yung lasa ng butter. And then, pag medyo malapit na siyang maluto, lalagyan lang natin siya ng konting Worcestershire sauce. And konting oyster sauce. Add some dill. Huwag masyadong madami kasi ang dill, meron siyang strong flavor na kapag nasobrahan, na-overpower na yung sarap ng salmon. Ayan. So, continuous basting lang guys para juicy. Juicy. Sarap. Ayan. So, nagiging yung garlic natin, ayan siya. Masarap yung kainin along with the salmon mamaya. Tada! Here is the finished product. Madali lang, diba? Hopefully you liked this video. And please don't forget to give a thumbs up and comment down below kung ginawa and nagustuhan nyo itong original recipe ko. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. Always remember, just cook it. Ta-ta!